Welcome to our review of the best pressure cookers. If you're looking for a flashlight for everyday use, camping, or emergencies, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 flashlights, from the most budget-friendly to the most powerful. We'll look at how far the light can reach, how tough they are, and what makes each one special. Let's get started. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Mini. If you're looking for all the benefits of an Instant Pot in a smaller, space-saving design, the Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart is the perfect choice. It offers the same 7-in-1 functionality as the larger models, acting as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Whether you're making soups, beans, or tender meats, the 13 customizable smart programs make cooking easy. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful cooking performance, reducing cooking time by up to 70% while keeping flavors and nutrients intact. This mini Instant Pot is ideal for small families, singles, or anyone who likes meal prepping in smaller portions. Its stainless steel tri-ply bottom ensures even heating, and cleanup is easy thanks to the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe parts. With over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, you can cook with confidence. Plus, the free Instant Brands app gives you access to over 1,900 recipes, so you'll always have ideas for your next meal. Whether you're in a dorm, apartment, or just need a smaller Instant Pot, the Duo Mini is a smart, compact, and efficient option. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is the best-selling, classic model that revolutionized home cooking. This compact powerhouse functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer, giving you everything you need in one appliance. With 13 customizable smart programs, making meals like tender ribs, creamy risotto, or fluffy rice is as simple as pressing a button. Whether you want to cook fast with pressure cooking or let flavors develop slowly with slow cooking, this all-in-one device has you covered. With a 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for growing families, batch cooking, or meal prepping. The stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom ensures even heating, making it great for sautéing before slow cooking or pressure cooking. Easy cleanup is a major plus, thanks to the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior and dishwasher-safe parts. Like all Instant Pots, it features over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, so you can cook with confidence. If you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and affordable Instant Pot, the Duo 7-in-1 is a tried-and-true favorite. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart is perfect for those who want a quiet, efficient, and stylish multi-cooker that can do it all. Designed with whisper-quiet steam release, it's the ideal choice for busy kitchens where loud hissing and steam bursts are unwelcome. Its 9-in-1 functionality means you can pressure cook, slow cook, make rice, steam, sauté, sterilize, and even whip up homemade yogurt all in one sleek appliance. With 25 customizable smart programs, cooking your favorite meals is as simple as pressing a button, whether it's ribs, soups, or desserts. This 8-quart capacity cooker is ideal for families, gatherings, and meal prepping, offering enough space to cook large portions effortlessly. Its food-grade stainless steel inner pot has a tri-ply bottom for even heating, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior keeps it looking pristine, while dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. With over 10 advanced safety features, including overheat protection and a locking lid, the Duo Plus takes the guesswork out of cooking, letting you focus on enjoying delicious, homemade meals. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. For those who love smart cooking, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 brings next-level convenience to your kitchen. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control your cooker remotely using the Instant Brands Connect app, giving you access to over 1,900 smart recipes and letting you adjust settings, monitor progress, and even release steam all from your phone. The large, easy-to-read display and touch-sensitive controls make operation effortless, while the powerful 20% higher wattage ensures better searing and faster preheating than other pressure cookers. This versatile 10-in-1 cooker functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sous vide machine, yogurt maker, and more, making it a one-stop solution for all your cooking needs. Its premium cookware-grade inner pot with silicone handles allows for stovetop use, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, meal prepping, or entertaining guests. With over 10 built-in safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, you can cook with confidence. Whether you're pressure cooking a quick weeknight meal or slow cooking a hearty stew, the Pro Plus makes every meal a hassle-free delight. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro. Crisp 11-in-1. For those who want the ultimate all-in-one kitchen appliance, the Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 is the dream machine. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's an air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, roaster, mini oven, broiler, and even a dehydrator. With 2 interchangeable lids, you can seamlessly switch between pressure cooking and air frying, making it easier than ever to whip up crispy, golden fries or tender, fall-off-the-bone meats with minimal oil. Its even crisp technology gives you all the crunch of deep frying without the guilt, while the premium cookware-grade inner pot with stay-cool silicone handles lets you take your food straight from the cooker to the stove. Perfect for large families or meal prepping, this 8-quart powerhouse can cook for up to 8 people, making big batch meals a breeze. Whether you're pressure cooking to save time or slow cooking for deep, rich flavors, the Pro Crisp does it all with over 10 built-in safety features for peace of mind. The free Instant Brands app gives you access to over 800 recipes, so you'll never run out of inspiration. From crispy chicken wings to gourmet sous vide steaks, this Instant Pot delivers restaurant-quality meals right at home. And there you have it, the top 5 best Instant Pots to take your cooking to the next level. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.